Hi, my family. Lilian is Sophia's mother. She has gray eyes. She is a very happy woman. She is 38 years old and she works in a travel agency. Sophia is my only daughter and she is the spoiled on the house. She is currently studying. She is very happy. Paparin and loud. She is 10 years old. Finally, I am 33 years old. I work as a telecommunication business advisor. I am cheerful and at the same time I like serious with the people I work with. We have live in the title in your apartment. Thank you very much.